Hello and welcome to Affordable Backyard University, where you will confidently learn how to purchase backyard home improvements the right way. Join us this week as we travel to Frisco, Texas, where we get stuck in a traffic jam. Who put that picture in there? There you go, that's more like it. Frisco, Texas, a town that's exploding with growth, where we're gonna see how we took this tired old 8-foot tall board-on-board fence, took it down, replaced it, and now it looks just like this. And you'll see all of that next on Affordable Backyard University. Hey, before we get started, could I ask you a favor? Hey, we love you, but all we ask is that you like us, so click the like button if you like what you see coming up. Also, if you'd like to be on the inside track, if you'll click subscribe, then every week you'll automatically get the newest video. So, one last thing, if there's a topic you'd like to see covered, having to do with backyard projects like what we feature, hey, put it in the comments and we'll try to get to it. Today's is the result of a comment. So here's the basis for this job. First off, it's an 8-foot tall board-on-board fence that's sitting on top of a 2-foot tall retaining wall, which holds back the dirt where they raised the yard to put in their beautiful pool. So even though it looks like it's 10 foot tall from the outside, when you stand inside by the pool under that cabana, it's only 8 foot tall, because there's dirt up to the top of that retaining wall. The gate itself was 8 foot tall, and if memory serves me right, basically 30 plus or minus feet long. Now, let's dig in. So as I said earlier, this is an 8-foot tall board-on-board fence. You'll notice that the horizontal boards, the 3 from the top down, are Western red cedar rough-hewn 2x4s. The bottom board, the kick board, is a retaining wall board. It's a 2x6 treated pine board. The posts, heavy-duty thick wall galvanized steel. The connectors that hold the horizontal pieces to the posts are Simpson brackets with 1 5/8 inch lag screws. Okay, let's jump to the other side of the gate and look at this fence and this retaining wall. Now, like I said earlier, this is an 8-foot tall board-on-board fence sitting on top of a 2-foot tall wall. But it's not really 10 foot tall, like I said, because the dirt is being held back by those 4 retaining wall boards. Once again, those tall posts are 6 foot apart, and they're 3 foot deep in the ground. Those stub posts in between are also 3 foot deep in the ground. That wall's not going anywhere. I know what you're thinking. When's he going to get to the gate? That's the part we care about. Well, that's next. So like I said, this gate is, looking at it now, it's probably closer to 36 foot long, and it's 8 foot tall. Let's talk about how this gate is constructed. A lot of people think that they are, well, you buy them somewhere and bring them out, but that's not the case. Each one is individually built on site. Okay, I just went and checked. It is 8 foot tall and it is 36 foot long. Okay, so first let's talk about these 4x4 thick-walled steel gate posts. There's one on either end, and they're about 46 to 48 inches deep in the ground. They're not going anywhere. Next, we need to talk about the actual frame. It's 2x2 galvanized steel, custom welded in your driveway to make sure it's exact custom fit, the exact right length. They are sturdy. The gate rolls on a V-track on those great big steel wheels. It's bolted to the driveway and then concreted into the ground in the yard so it doesn't sink. These big steel tabs catch your gate and hold it in place at that end. This support arm keeps the gate rolling straight. The solar panel feeds the trickle charger that keeps those batteries at 100% all the time. Okay, well, you know what that music means. It means it's time for me to shut up, quit stuttering, and let you kind of look at the gate. Watch it roll. Make sure and join us next time on Affordable Backyard Construction University. Hey, We'd like to thank you for visiting with us on Affordable Backyard University. If you liked what you saw, click the like button. Help a brother out. We make videos every week. If you'd like to be notified, click the subscribe button. Ring the bell. Leave a question, leave a comment, leave a criticism. If you liked it, like it. Pick a topic, click on it, and get started.